Okay, this is gonna be a high-end box for sure. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This video, my BoxyCharm box came in, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be unboxing it, and I'm gonna do a little try-on haul. Even though I got like a full face of makeup on, we can always, you know, do a little something with that. That's why I don't have lip color on, just in case I got a lip product, but I don't know if I will. But you never know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, also with the bell notification to get rung every time I post. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my BoxyCharm videos. I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna like stop it or keep going with my subscription, so make sure to comment down below and tell me what you guys think. We got her in, and while I'm opening this box, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram with a couple of my friends on Instagram, so go make sure to follow me on my beauty page, Kaitlan_Annette_beauty. This is the BoxyCharm card. I'm going to pull out the first thing, which is the Seraphine Botanicals Dakin and Dreams Lip Exfoliator with radish extract. Using your ring finger, gently buff onto lips in a circular motion. It smells so good. Literally, not gonna lie, that stuff was really good. Like, my lips are super soft, like, oh my gosh. Next, I got the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, since I have foundation on, obviously I'm not gonna like take it off to try this, but I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna put a couple drops, and it definitely is watery. Smells just like roses, and I do not like the smell of roses. Oh my gosh, I'm silky smooth. Can you see, like, can you see the difference? Like, I don't know. That retails for $79. Next thing that I see is the Marbled Light blush, and I was super excited because this looks super pretty on their like Instagram that they do. I literally just put blush on, but it's fine, right? We could put more blush on. I just need to find a brush. And this is in the shade Dusk, so you might not be able to tell that much. Next time I do this, I know like I can't wear any makeup because you literally don't know what you're gonna get. Oh, that's pretty. It's not sparkly at all, but it's sheer. It has a sheen to it. It's not like NARS Orgasm. You can see, I don't want to say sparkles, you can see that it's shining. In that one, the pan literally looks like it's matte, so I was like, oh wait, I don't think it is. But that has a pretty sheen to it. Definitely for like if you do like natural makeup, I would recommend this to you. Next, I have the Brow Bar by Rima True Brow Makeover Kit, like a gel. Sculpt it out. This is literally so pigmented. That is so creamy, and that is literally the powder. Those powders are literally so creamy, it literally feels like a gel. I've never felt a brow product like that. Holy cow, what is this? I've never even heard of this brand. Comes with a little brow gel. So this is what it is. The brow gel, the Hank and Henry brow gel that I got, I did not like. But this, just this brow kit itself is like amazing. Like, it's the perfect brown. So natural. This is $30. And if I love this, and if it does just as well as these swatches, I'm literally going to purchase this over and over again. This mascara, this brow mascara, I guess you can say, literally, like, you can feel that it's holding my eyebrows, but it's not sticky. It's not like hairspray, like you can't move your eyebrows. I think BoxyCharm just put me on. Look how cute. I think this is the eyeshadow palette. It's literally a book. So these are the shades. Y'all, it literally has the book, like a book thing on here. I'm going to be taking Woods and put it in my crease area. I just have bronzer in my crease, so that shouldn't affect it too much. This does have like a lot of kickback. I believe if the shadows work good and it's not super expensive, I don't care about the kickback. I just really care about how the products work. Which this matte is going on really well. And it's blending out. I probably should have reset my crease, but I didn't. I'm going to be taking Basket right here. I'm going to put it in my lower crease area. I'm going to be taking red and putting that on my eyelid. Okay, so these are the swatches. This retails for $30. So this box is $194. I paid $30 for the box, so it's definitely over. I think you're promised $150 more, so we're $44 over. So I really liked it, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what I thought about the products and the reviews on them and what I didn't or really wanted in my box. We'll start off with the good. We always got to start off with the good, obviously, like we got to. But the lip scrub and the brow kit are the two best favorites. The second favorite is the Rose Facial Oil. And then I did like this blush. I do have to build this more than I would my other blushes, but that's okay because I do go for a natural look more on a daily basis than anything. This eyeshadow palette, it's definitely not my favorite. As you can see, the pans on it are really bad. They swatched okay. The mattes are really creamy. They're kind of buttery too. They did have a lot of kickback in the palette itself, but as far as the quality of it, I thought it was okay / good. I'm in between that stage. Kind of the glittery shadows, I did not like them at all. They did not do what I thought they were going to do, what they look like. I wouldn't repurchase this or probably get another one. Am I mad that I got it in my box? Absolutely not, because I'm always willing to try new things. I'll definitely pick this up on occasions, but it's just not my number one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to get rung every time I post. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you think I should keep my subscription for BoxyCharm or if I should get rid of it and try something else. So let me know down in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.